Hello, welcome back. How are we all doing today? Hope you're well and stay safe. Guys, today it's not anymore about sports trading, it's about the other side hustle that I'm doing. Selling items on eBay. I'm on a pawn shop, that's where I buy some stuff to resell it on eBay later. And in this video I want to show you how to create an eBay auction. And the way I'm doing it anyway. Okay, let's go. So this is my next item that I'm going to list. This is the list of items I bought from the pawn shop. Okay. And this is the item that I'm listing now. I bought it before, that's their description there and everything. I'm going to be using the OpenAI Chat GPT to create an eBay description, a perfect selling eBay description for me. We're limited with 15 minutes in this video. It's already 1 minute and 5 seconds, and let's see if we can complete the auction listing within 15 minutes. Okay, so first of all I'll have to find that product which I've already checked. I've already got all these windows open here. Find a product that I want to sell, like similar thing or something like that. That's 4 40 pieces, £5.59, 40 15-liter bin box, shopping extra strong. That's exactly what I'm selling right now. Okay, sturdy box, durable, perfect for a variety of duties, great for use as a replacement for pedal beans or just as a regular carrier bag to avoid these annoying charges at the supermarket. So that is the thing. Now I'm going to use this auction. Click on sell it yourself. This will open in a new window. It will already populate the title that the other seller had there on this auction. I'll see if I can change anything. And I'm going to do it like that. 44. $15-liter bin, handy box, shopping, extra strong pedal bin liner, tie handle. Now I'll do it like that. 44. bin bucks. $15-liter. How do other sellers have it? 15L for the size of the box. So I'll do a large L, 15L. Now let's start working with the OpenAI Chat GPT. I'll start new chat. You won't be seeing it at the bottom, but I'm just copying and pasting from the previous one. So it says build the best selling eBay listing for item with these details, and then I paste obviously I haven't done it right. Anyways, I'll just do a new chat again because I hit enter too early. So build me the best selling eBay listing for item with these details. Then I quickly copy my item description. I paste it there. Couple of spaces, comma. I'll quickly copy all the details from my supplier. Okay, including the bottom bit there too. Okay, and I want to copy everything really without the skew. So I'm giving enough information to the Chat GPT. I've just pasted it all there, and that's the Chat GPT now building me. He's already given me a title: 44 white handy bags, mighty power career bags, sturdy, durable. Okay, now I'm looking for description. Okay, I don't have description. And now I'll copy the title, paste it there at the top. Obviously that's going to be our auction title. This is going to be in bold. And now I need my template. So I'll copy my template, paste it right there. And I'm going to start completing the details for this auction. So that's already pre-filled. It's helping me to work a little bit faster with this. Okay. So we're already 6 minutes in. And I need to obviously delete the unwanted content from there. So whatever in this folder is to help me build proper auctions and to properly serve my customers on eBay. I've been selling on eBay for many years now. I enjoy doing it. It's a little side hustle for me. And quite recently I actually bought a little bit more to resell on eBay. Okay, so that's it. Now this is my item description. Copy again, delete, as it has to go to the right place. This is the item description. Paste. Always check the content you're receiving from OpenAI Chat GPT for its correctness. I'll put in bold whatever is more important so the customer can quickly see it when they look at the auction, as no one really reads all these descriptions in whole, as you would probably imagine. Replacement liner for your 15-liter pedal band. Regular carrier bag. So an interesting bag here that can be used in a pedal band, or it can be used as a regular carrier bag. High quality polyethylene material. Bags are designed to be strong and durable, ensuring that they won't tear or break easily. The white color gives them a clean and classic look, suitable for any setting. Not much really to say in the item description when we're selling band bags. Okay. Right. So I just use this as a template. Obviously, you know that the all the prompts and discussions with OpenAI, the Chat GPT, are being stored there for you. So when you come back, you can just copy and paste when you're continuing. And when this happens, things are not very well anymore. So let me see how can I fix it. It's simply when your Chat GPT stops responding to you, just start working with it from the scratch. Give that command again, and you're obviously not giving up. Such a little problem, easy to overcome. Quickly wait for it to finish. And then repeat the question. Let's see if he can give me the right answer. It's already 10 minutes and 40 seconds, so I don't have much time left. Let's see if I'm able to complete this auction within 15 minutes, this listing. It's giving me description again and features. There isn't really much. It's not gonna give me a It's not going to give me specifications, as there isn't really many. I'll just copy this, features, and I'll put them in there. Okay, valuable tips. Let's see if I can get any valuable tips from Chat GPT. Copy, and I'm just pasting it bottom right under the text. Now we can see the prompt I've given him. Okay, and again I'll just copy the whole text over. There's quite a lot actually. As for just the Ben bags or career bags, quite a lot. Never mind. Copy it all over. 12 minutes in, guys. 12 minutes in. Okay, so I'm not going to complete this, but you get the grip, you know, you see how I'm doing it. Just the price now. Nearly there. But probably not enough time to finish in the 15-minute window. So I'll have to read it. I'll have to complete this. Then obviously I'm doing the pricing. So I'll compare other sellers' prices. $5.59, $5.69. If I want my item to be a little bit cheaper, I'll do it $5.39 if I can. Okay, there's even £8. That's a cheaper deal. Now I'll be using the eBay calculator. Every time, remember, you have to use the calculator to accurately price your item. So I bought them for £1. Shipping so expensive, you know, item cost £1. Shipping a minimum £2.88. That's Yodel shipping up to 1 kilogram parcel. And now my selling price, I decided to go for, let's say, £5.39, if that's going to work for me at all. So that's only given me 52 pence profit, and profit margin is 9.65%. I like my profit margins to be between 10 and 25%, so I'll have to raise the price a little bit. I'll do it £5.79, so the price will be similar to other sellers. Now my profit margin is 15%, price £5.79, similar price to other sellers. My postage is going to be free, the same as here. Okay. £5.79. Now I'll quickly copy the title and upload photos. So I'll create a folder for my items for sale on this particular eBay account. 14 minutes, I have to finish in 10 seconds, guys. So I'm just uploading the images to my auction and then completing it all. Okay, and then we can list the item. So wrapping it all up for the moment. Next time I'll try to be a little bit quicker so you can see the whole process of creating next eBay listing. Hopefully it was helpful for you. Please like this video, share it with friends that might like it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. All the best and take care.